Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make lemonade with Sprite. Start by juicing 4 lemons into a pitcher, then add 1/2 cups simple syrup and 2 cups Sprite, stirring gently to preserve fizz. Taste and adjust with more syrup or lemon juice as needed. Serve over ice with lemon slices and a sprig of mint for aroma. Enjoy a quick, fizzy lemonade that's easy to customize and share with friends. Gather all ingredients before you start for a smooth process. 4 lemons, 2 cups Sprite, 1/2 cup simple syrup, ice, and optional garnish. Prepare simple syrup by dissolving sugar in equal parts water, then cool. Juice lemons directly into the pitcher to capture pulp and oils for deeper flavor. Keep Sprite chilled so you add it last to retain carbonation. This prep ensures fast assembly and consistent taste every time. If you're finding this helpful, please like and subscribe so I can keep sharing simple kitchen tips. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for hands-free timers and music while you mix drinks. It pairs perfectly with a busy countertop. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Juice your lemons and strain if you prefer a smoother drink, then add 1/2 cup simple syrup and stir to dissolve. Taste the mixture and adjust with more syrup or lemon juice until it hits your ideal balance of sweet and tart. When ready to serve, add cold Sprite slowly to avoid foaming over, then pour over a glass of ice. Garnish with lemon slices or mint and serve immediately for best texture.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.